Here at AMB Bikes, we don't just improve our skills, but we're always looking to add to that skill set. This one today, I've never done before myself either, is upholstery, I believe they call it, or repairing bike seats. This one's off my VFR. It's a bit tattered. I mean, it's not too bad for most people, but it's just getting to that point now where I'll get replaced. I mean, the main killer for it has been, I did this the other day as I was carrying some supplies and cargo. Ripped it. It's only a tiny, I mean, as the whole seat, I mean, there's the ripping. It's tiny, but I'm very, very OCD on this bike. Any little damages like that, I want it brand new and pristine again. So we're gonna replace it with this one that I've managed to acquire, and all we've got to do is replace it. So I'll remove the old staples. Should be a fun job, and then obviously put the other one on. If I had enough memory, I'd be able to film the whole job, but unfortunately it's only going to be a before and after. But here's the before, and my next video will be the after. Wish me luck. AB Bikes out.